All right, guys, it's time to get to work. Continuing education, right? And what do I mean by that? Running a commercial cleaning business is a craft. There is an art to it. You have to continuously learn to get better and better, to grow, and to be a better business owner. It's like school, right? Continuously learn your craft. The craft here is running a cleaning business. There's multiple facets of the business that you need to learn to be able to operate efficiently. So what I wanted to touch on is some organizations, some education that's out there, tools, people, things that you can take advantage of that are out there right now that are pretty much free to review, look at. Let's talk about some organizations. Right off the top of my head, you got the ISSA. That's probably the world's largest governing body of the cleaning association. They host events every year. There's conferences that you can go to. They have a great website with content. Then you got the BSCAI. That is the Building Services Contractors Association. I'm a member of both of these right now. We just interviewed the president, Todd Hopkins, for the BSCAI. The reason why I love them too is it is commercial cleaning business owners through thick and thin. Whether you're small, medium, large in size, they host conferences, they host events. They've been doing town halls now with COVID going on. Another one is the Janitorial Store. Steve Hansen's the owner of that. Him and Gene do a great job at providing a ton of content. I know everybody that I've spoken to has visited that site at one point or the other. You're able to get templates, SOPs, policy statements, training videos. They got videos galore, right? Another great resource for you to take advantage of. They also have the myhousecleaningbiz.com website. So what that is for the residential, right? You got one janitorial store, it's for commercial. The other is for the residential space. Another one for the residential space is the ARCSI. So what that is it's for the residential cleaning space, right? They usually do the events with ISSA. So when you go to the ISSA show, you're going to their show as well, because one is more commercial, the other one's more residential. And one other group is Jon-Don. And I like Jon-Don because they also have floor service programs, and they do anything from VCT strip and wax, concrete polishing, carpet cleaning, restoration. They're a supplier, but they also do a pretty good job in different cities, hosting either virtual events or in-person workshops, training. There's a lot of associations out there you could either be a part of, be a member, or just go to their events and just gain some knowledge from them. Now let's talk about education. When you're starting the business, if you don't have somebody you're working with as far as a partner in the business, reach out to a coach, right? There's never the wrong time to have a coach. I still use a coach and I'm 8 years in. It's just somebody that you can bounce ideas off of, understand processes, and learn from them from the business perspective side of things, right? Another tool is CMM Online. They have a CMI program that's a Cleaning Management Institute that they have a lot of online courses, tests, quiz, videos. They have a magazine. It's part of the ISSA as well. Another good one is from Dave Thompson himself. It's the Academy of Excellence. I highly recommend it. I've had Dave on the Cleaning and Cocktails podcast. I call him like one of the godfathers of cleaning, right? He just knows a lot about the business and cares about you, the business owner, to care about your staff and your employees and making them engaged to love what they do, love their job, and do a great job for you while they're in the field. Facebook groups, right? I've learned more and more that it's a good channel to ask questions, talk to your fellow colleagues, talk to other business owners. We have a Facebook group, check it out. It's Commercial Cleaning Mastermind Group. We'll again drop the link down below so that you guys can click and join the group. We have a lot of videos and information and questions that we're always pumping out. And then some other websites that you guys can go to too, cleanlink.com, cleanfacts.com. Down below, we're gonna be dropping all the links to all of the organizations. If you like what you see, please subscribe. We got a ton of content that's coming out. Hit the like button, hit the bell. There's a lot of resources that are out there. I highly recommend you guys take advantage of them because like I said, it is lonely, but don't forget, you have people like us, you have these organizations, all these resources to reach out to, connect with, collaborate, and really just engage with. You're never by yourself. We're here for you. Until next time, guys.